Hi y'all. I know you're looking at me from a different location in the car. It's because I'm using my mom's car and the air conditioner's running because I'm in the desert and it's hot. So I am at Freddy's frozen custard and Steakburgers in Vernal, Utah. And I ordered a burger, just the burger, and a lemon cream frost, because they're very popular here, the custards and concretes and all that. I didn't ask for fries, but they gave me fries anyway, and they're cute little shoestring fries. And if you're in Utah, you're gonna get fry sauce, and they sell their fry sauce separately. So, but then again, just about everybody does. Everybody swears they've got the best. It's a Utah thing. So that's a smash burger, and it actually looks pretty good. That's a smash burger. They didn't give me napkins. I'd say a bad word, but we're on national TV. It's dry. It's not really well seasoned. This is good. This is the orange, or not orange, lemon something. And that makes up for the burger. It's the first smash burger I've seen in a fast food joint, to be honest. It's not as good as we make on our Blackstone griddles, for sure. Like I said, dry and unseasoned. So if you're curious what fry sauce, this is fry sauce. It's like mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, tartar sauce, I don't know. Look it up online. It's fairly easy to make your own anyway. Theirs is tangy, which a good fry sauce should be. Maybe it's tartar sauce and ketchup, I don't know. What am I, Wikipedia? It's okay. It's tangy. The pickle they stick in there. I believe they didn't stick napkins in the box or in the bag. Anyway, it's and this was with everything. It's kind of thin, but just like the onion. And actually, once you get into the bun and the sauce, it's got more flavor. It's a pretty good smash burger though, except for the lack of seasoning and the dryness. It's good. It's There's another giant pickle. So, excursions into Utah desert food. Definitely better than McDonald's. I was gonna say more expensive than McDonald's, but McDonald's isn't cheap anymore. And I got free fries. Unless I wasn't paying attention. Nope, they were free. So $7.80 for the double cheeseburger, smash burger. $5.99 for regular size lemon cream frost. That's about average. Frost doesn't grow on trees, you know. So I've got an extra thing of fry sauce to take home with me. And I'll probably use the other one on the fries. Fry sauce is good. And actually, some places seriously, many places brag on their homemade fry sauce and claim they have the best. And some of them actually are the best, so, or at least really good. Oh look, there's a Sportsman's Warehouse. Check them out when I have money. Vernal is the regional city of something. There's a designation from the Census Bureau. Basically, they've got the only Walmart for 100 miles, so people come from all over. And you find places like Freddy's and Sportsman's Warehouse and What the Beauty and Big Ten Tires. I guess they're everywhere. Holy cow. Anyway, I'm done rambling. I gotta hit the road. I've got an hour drive to get home. Just like many other shoppers. It's Freddy's. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!